Are you in need of a trustable and competent doctor for you or your loved one's kidney complications? We can help you with an answer. In this video, we will be presenting to you the doctor we believe is the most qualified practicing nephrologist in all of Bangladesh. Our nephrologist, in layman's terms, is a medical doctor specializing in human kidneys. After researching, we conclude that Dr. Ebadur Rahman, a current senior consultant nephrologist in Evercare Hospital Dhaka, is the most competent in his field in the country. Allow us to take you through his background and current standing for you to decide for yourself. Dr. Ebadur Rahman, like many of the best doctors in Bangladesh, studied at the University of Dhaka, receiving his MBBS degree in 1995, where he secured first position of merit. Continuing his education led to a diploma in internal medicine from the world-renowned Imperial College, where his examiner was Professor Kumar, the author of Clinical Medicine, a key academic text for all modern medical studies. Then in 2001, Dr. Ebadur earned his master's in nephrology from the Sheffield Kidney Institute, a top-ranked European institute for the subject. One of the highest achievements for a doctor, membership to the Royal College of Physicians of the United Kingdom, was soon earned by Dr. Ebadur in 2003. He didn't stop there with the Royal College, as he went on in 2011 to receive a specialty certificate in nephrology, quickly became a fellow of the Royal College of Physicians a year later, and acquired a double fellowship in 2015 from the Royal College of Physicians of Ireland. By this time, he also managed to acquire a fellowship in the American Society of Nephrology in 2013. With all these acquired knowledge, skills, and achievements, Dr. Ebadur put his gifts to use for several commitments before joining Evercare Hospital in Dhaka. Let us take you through an overview of his past positions and appointments. It was in 2008 when he first acquired the role of consultant nephrologist, as appointed by the Prince Sultan Military Medical City in the Saudi Arabian capital of Riyadh. This center was rated among the top 3 hospitals of Saudi Arabia and existed as a complex medical center where over 100 kidney transplants were offered per year, many of which Dr. Ebadur helped conduct. During his tenure, he was also appointed chairman of the Riyadh Nephrology and Transplant Club in 2010, involved in holding monthly nephrology CME lectures for the Riyadh region. He was the only Bangladeshi to ever be awarded this position. Just as chairing those lectures, Dr. Ebadur committed himself towards educating and mentoring across years the clinical tutor, MBBS examiner, PhD supervisor, and professor in emerging medical schools and nephrology courses. To spread his knowledge more accessibly, he founded an online preparation course for the renal specialty exam, making him the only practicing nephrologist in Bangladesh to run an online course website. On this course website, he conducts online preparation for a variety of candidates and exam boards as listed here. After all, his mentorship experiences involve holding positions in both the Saudi Board of Nephrology and in the Royal College of Physicians of the UK. These positions and appointments have garnered him a wide breadth of skills, particularly intervention skills. As of this video, he has conducted over 2,000 nephrology interventions from dialysis to kidney biopsies. His huge experience with kidney transplants involved following up with over 600 transplant patients in Saudi Arabia while working in the largest dialysis unit in the country. With this knowledge and experience coupled with a commitment to helping emerging physicians, Dr. Ebadur authored a textbook to support preparation for the nephrology specialty certificate exam called 150 Best of 5 Questions for Nephrology Specialty Certificate Exam, and published by Tricorn Books in 2016. It is currently a top 30 bestseller in nephrology books worldwide. This also makes Dr. Ebadur Rahman the only practicing nephrologist in Bangladesh to also be a best-selling author. Beyond the clinical care and the educational roles, Dr. Ebadur made a pioneering contribution to nephrology by introducing a novel technique to treat hepatorenal syndrome called SPAD, short for single-pass albumin dialysis. It became the standard of care for the syndrome. Indeed, Dr. Ebadur Rahman has been and still is a rigorous researcher in renal sciences, which has led to several posters and oral presentations worldwide from him lapsing over a decade. Not to mention 26 and counting research publications under his name, including those in which he was a primary investigator. With all these achievements, Dr. Ebadur Rahman is conclusively the most qualified nephrologist practicing in Bangladesh. We hope this video inspires you as a patient to trust the services of Dr. Ebadur Rahman and seek him when needed. Beyond appointments that could be made directly through Evercare Hospital Dhaka, you may contact for assistance using these numbers. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more educational content from Dr. Ebadur Rahman.